Alright guys, we're gonna do another couple of videos here. This is the Mobius 69 Ford, I believe it was, that I basically just built a box stock, added some scratch built details to it. The siren light here on the fender is actually made from the end of an ink pen. Just a little 1 or 2 millimeter fashion jewel glued to the back. I don't remember really what size that was. Scratch built Federal beacon ray with a glass dome. It features the badge decal on it. I had a friend of mine printed me some up a few years back, so I use them when I can. This was just made as a, maybe a spare equipment truck, something they might need on a scene, extra stuff. Scratch built the traffic cones back there. It's got a chainsaw in it. I don't remember where that came from, but it was basically built box stock. Got a radio in it from an American La France kit. I did the engine. It's got an engine in it. It's basically just paint detailed. I didn't do any wiring to it. I used to do the wiring years ago when I built race cars and things, but I kind of got out of that. And here's the bottom of it. It's a really good kit. It goes together really well. I need to get some more of them. The hardest part about them is getting that damn windshield to pop in because it goes in from the front. But overall, a nice model, a nice little addition to my collection of fire vehicles. Thanks for watching.